Grace, and I am an ambassador from the Dream Factory of Louisville. And today I'm going to be reading a story of how Jesus was born, and then I'm going to show you a picture. So let's get started with the story. There were shepherds living out the fields nearby. It was night, and they were looking after their sheep. And the angels of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. They were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy. It's all for the people. Today in town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. Here is how you will know I am telling the truth. You will find a baby wrapped in strips of clothing and lying in a manger." Suddenly a large group of angels from heaven also appeared. They were praising God, they said. "May glory be given to God in the highest heaven, and may peace be given to those in earth, placed on earth." And angels left and went into heaven, and then the shepherds said to one another, "Let's go to Bethlehem. Let's see the things that has been happened, which the Lord told about us." So that's the story, and then I'm going to show you the picture. Let me find it. Here it is. It's My Dream Is to Disney World, and then the Dream Factory made this come true, and then that's like the cruise ship on the Disney. Bye, everybody.